Hello guys, a new mining video for two bots that will be launched in this month. For Shield bot, it will be launched in 12 days. Like shown below, you must have a Phantom wallet, or link will be in description. Also, other bot will be launched in 27 of this month. Hurry up, join now these two bots. Also, there is a tap swap coin for trust wallet. You just copy your BNB smart chain and put in the airdrop. The link will be in description. We'll use two scripts for these two bots, will be available in the description. Like you see, this is our bot. Simply you claim every 2 hours. You go to mission and you do missions. Like you see, this is our mission. I already claimed my mission. You complete your all mission and you claim every 2 hours here. This is how it's work. Simply this bot, the script will do all your tasks for you. You can run one time daily until its end. Also, you earn 3 Solana coin here, like shown below. This is our first script. Simply you claim every 2 hours, like you see. This is our first script. For our second script, we will show now. It will be released in 72 this month, like shown below. This is our bot. You connect wallet in the bot. This mission, it will do all mission for you, like shown below. Simply you will get free coins here, or link will be in the description. Like we see, done. Supply of token, it's done. Simply this is how it's work for this bot too. There is two simple bot for chilliguy guys. It's mining for every 2 hours. All link will be in the description. Let's go to our script for chilliguy guys. Like you see, this is our script. You copy instruction by one by one and open. You copy for the first. If you have already installed all package, you don't need to install anyone. You copy this one. After that, you copy this one. You install the package. After that, you open cdd chilliguy, the script. After that, you edit your nano carry ID. After that, you run with Python. This is for second auto mining feature. This is for chilliguy guys, and also auto mining. If we run Python main.p, it will earn for you. This is for chilliguy guys. Also, there is other trick for moon. Like you see, it will do all for you, like shown below. Time remaining, it's auto mining. You lose if it stops, just restart. Like you see, time remaining, it's collect for you. Also for other script, it will do all for you for free. This is how it's work. How to get your carry ID? Simply you download kiwi browser. You download two extension. The links will be in description. You download two extension. You open in kiwi browser these two extension. After installing kiwi extension, you open telegram web.telegram.org, or link will be in description. After that, you run your bot in kiwi browser, like that. You run and click here, and you will find bypass telegram. You just click in extension and you get your carry ID and you put. This is how it works. Simply very simple. This is our video today for two scripts, another mining bots. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.